everyone, welcome to my channel Speak Smart. Today we are going to learn about present perfect tense. I hope before that you understand simple present and present continuous and also the difference between both. So here we go with the timeline for present perfect tense. So here you can see that the timeline is like that ki any action of the past if completed just now in present तो such action we called it a present perfect. Any action of the past कोई भी action हो सकता है वो past का और वो अभी जाके complete हुआ है तो हम उसे narrate करेंगे उसे हम बोलेंगे present perfect tense में और ऐसी कोई action भी है जो अभी complete हुई है उसको भी हम बोलेंगे present perfect tense में जैसे कि like she has made a delicious cake. उसने क्या बना लिया है उसने एक डिलीशियस केक बना लिया है तो एक्शन इज कंप्लीटेड राइट तो ये एक्शन जो है ये अभी आपको दिख रहा है कि अभी उन्होंने बनाया है लेकिन इसमें हम पास्ट के एक्शंस को भी इंक्लूड करते हैं पास्ट के कोई एक्शन होंगे अगर वो प्रेजेंट में कंप्लीट हो तो भी हम उसको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में ही नरेट करेंगे now here is the definition we go with the definition here you can see like that कि it is used to describe an action प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज हम ऐसी एक्शन ऐसी एक्टिविटी को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए करते हैं जो कहीं तो पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुए लेकिन उसका कनेक्शन है प्रेजेंट में या वो प्रेजेंट में ही आके खत्म हुआ है बट इसमें हम टाइम को स्पेसिफाई नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पर टाइम कोई एग्जैक्ट टाइम नहीं रहता है इसीलिए हम ऐसा मान के चलते हैं कि वो अभी खत्म हुआ है ऐसी एक्शंस को हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में करते हैं तो हियर यू कैन सी द सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन फॉर affirmative sentence subject here we use to have verb means has and have we use in present tense and after that we use past participle is verb third form and then object like rest of the sentence for negative sentence you just add after my to have verb not word and also the question form is like that okay now here we will see how to use a present perfect tense. So in present perfect tense, there are two verbs that we use, has and has and have we use according to the subject. Have we used for the plural subject, has we used for the singular subject. As well as we are using the past participle form of the verb, past participle form like verb third form. Sometime it's ended with D only and sometime it's ended with ED. Like you can see here few verbs died, tied, washed, rained like that. Now here first use it is used to talk about the past action that continues into the present. Okay like he has played the guitar since he was 10 years old. जब वो 10 साल का था तब से वो गिटार बजा रहा है और अभी भी बजा रहा है like that so it is comes in a past action the action started when he was 10 years until now present still playing okay now second use is specific time of the action is unknown we can't talk about the time because time is not specific in present perfect like she has studied many different languages उसने बहुत सारी languages पढ़ चुकी है now move on to the rule number 3 any action that is completely recent currently that also comes in the present perfect with the word just or now rule number 4 or the usage 4 changes over time ऐसी कोई एक्शन है जो सालों सालों में बदल रही है हम देख रहे हैं कोई ऐसा एक्शन है जो सालों साल एक जैसा चल रहा है और सडनली उसमें कुछ चेंज दिख रहा है हमको so that action is also narrate in a present perfect tense like here you can see the example his grandson has grown at least a foot since he last saw him जब मैंने उसको लास्ट टाइम देखा था उससे अभी ये थोड़ा सा एक फुट ऐसा लग रहा है बढ़ गया है okay now fifth use of fifth so action that is expected to finish but has yet to ऐसी एक्शंस जो हमें अभी प्रेजेंट का है जो कंप्लीट ऐसा लग रहा है कि कंप्लीट हो जाएगा उसको भी हम नरेट करते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में लाइक जैसे आई हैव नॉट फिनिश्ड ऑल द डिलीवरीज एंड माई शिफ्ट इज ऑलमोस्ट ओवर तो इसमें आपको लग रहा है कि हमारा टाइम खत्म होने वाला है लेकिन हमारा अभी भी जो डिलीवरीज हम कर रहे हैं वो अभी भी फिनिश नहीं हुआ है तो ऐसी एक्शंस को भी हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में कि हमारा टाइम लाइन अगर कोई दिया हुआ है उस टाइम लाइन तक आपको लग रहा है कि यार हो जाना चाहिए दैट एक्शन वी ऑल्सो नरेट इन अ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट multiple actions if multiple actions completed in the past likely to happen in the future ऐसी कोई actions हैं जो पास्ट में हो चुकी है, स्टार्ट हो चुकी है और अभी जाके वो फिनिश हो रही है, तो उसको भी हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में ही बोलते हैं। जैसे शी हैज़ गिवन द सेम गिफ्ट एवरी ईयर, हर साल ही वो एक ही गिफ्ट देती है। तो उसने लास्ट ईयर भी वही दिया था, उससे पहले भी वही दिया था, तो हियर यू कैन सी द पास्ट एक्शंस एंड अभी इस ईयर भी उसने वही गिफ्ट दिया है। आई हैव बीन टू दैट रेस्टोरेंट 5 टाइम्स, मैं उस सेम रेस्टोरेंट में 5 बार जा चुकी हूँ। तो रिपीटेड एक्शन है, आपको दिख रहा है मल्टीपल एक्शंस हो रहा है पास्ट में, और वही एक्शन अभी भी प्रेजेंट में भी हो रहा है, तो ऐसी एक्शंस को भी हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में ही नरेट करते हैं। So here we will see a short video on present perfect. It's nothing but a revision of present perfect tense. Here we go. So in present perfect, you know any past actions completed just now. This is the timeline. I already explained you कि any past actions completed in present, now, just. So that is said to be a present perfect. Here we use with that is verb tenses. So what type of verb tenses we are using here? You can see first use of present perfect. Any action of past completed. Like here, I have been to Australia. मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया जा चुकी हूँ. Use number 2. Here we will see again the timeline is there, but the timeline started in the past and completed in present and keep on going to the future. So such action is like I have lived in Toronto for 2 years. 2 सालों से मैं टोरंटो में रह रही हूँ. Here we use verb forms have and has. Have with past participle, that verb third form, and with that we are using the subject depends on have and has. I have graduated. You have graduated. So graduated word is verb third form and have and has my verb according to my subject. I have finished my homework. मैं मेरा homework कर चुकी हूँ. She has worked at this office for 12 years. 12 सालों से वो इस ऑफिस में काम कर चुकी है. My friends have seen that movie. मेरे दोस्तों ने वो मूवी देख चुकी है. Here you can see some regular and irregular verbs. Some ends with D, some ends with ed. So here we go with the verbs that ends with ed. Walk, verb third form is walked. Irregular verb have a different forms. The verb is eat. So we have different forms for eat. Eat, ate, eaten is the verb third form that we used in present perfect. Here be verb is also there. Was, were, been. We can use. Do, did, done. So done is the verb third form. All are irregular. They have a different form. Drink, drank, drunk. As usual, eat, ate, eaten. Go, went, gone. They all are the irregular. Have, had, run, ran, run. Say, said, said. Slip, slapped, slept. Write, wrote, written. So here in present perfect we use verb third form. Remember, with the have has verb. Okay, so here is some exercise. He has eaten breakfast. वो अपना ब्रेकफास्ट खा चुका है. We have had a dog for 8 years. हमारे पास 8 सालों से एक डॉग है. My best friend has moved to another city. मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड दूसरे सिटी चला गया है, जा चुका है. Like that. Now here is a practice. You can see I dash in Australia all my life. So what we use? Have lived. I is a plural subject, with that I am using have. He dash a dog for 5 years. He is singular subject, has come, with have, verb third form. He has had a dog for 5 years. We dash to another country. Move word is there and we is the plural subject. We have moved to another country. She dashed to Toronto. The verb is there. So here she is my singular subject. With that I am using has. And with has, what is the verb? Been word I am using. She has been to Toronto. They dash an entire pizza. Eat verb is there. So there is a plural subject. So with that, have come and eat verb third form is eaten. They have eaten an entire pizza. पूरा पिज्जा खा चुके हैं. The student dash the test. Finish verb. The student is the singular subject and verb third form is finished. The student has finished. Okay, so here I hope you understand present perfect tense. Thank you for watching my channel.